Hi, Philip from TW White & Sons. We have here a beautiful 1363 Seat Alhambra 2-litre TDI 177 PS SE Lux DSG automatic. Beautiful car. This finished in red, one owner from new, just been detailed by the body shop. We'll need to go through our workshop to be serviced, but the spec of this is superb. Electric tailgate, 7 seats, those currently in the folded position. Beautiful spec. Got these opening side doors, electric tailgate, black leather interior. He's got these tables at the back, picnic tables at the back, individual air conditioning controls, you'll see. Just shut this. Looking inside the car, as I said, black leather interior, automatic DSG box. Massive spec with this car. Electric windows all round, electric power folding door mirrors. You've also got electric driver's seat, auto lights. Next to that you've got panel light rheostat. You've also got headlamp leveling, integrated Bluetooth with voice control, stereo controls on the steering wheel. Down there you see it's got cruise control. 59,286 miles with full service history. Let's just let's turn on the interior lights so we can see this display a little bit better. Infotainment centre, as they like to call it, all illuminated there. Climate control with heated seats. This is dual zone climate control with separate climate control at the rear. Switches down there for stuff like electric tailgate, parking sensors, tyre pressure warning system, automatic box. You've also got up here, in relation to the automatic box, see that little minus sign, and there's a plus sign on the opposite side. This is to do with paddle shift control, giving you greater response.
Christmas.
DAB radio, navigation. You've got setup there within that nav. Very, very good specifications. Sound options, some of this is touchscreen, volume, treble, mid-range, bass, balance. Back to the radio. You can connect up a phone. You've also got reverse camera with markers. Huge spec this. Auto dimming rear view mirror. And let's see if I can get this right. Electric sun blind. Goes all the way back, revealing this massive electric panoramic roof. See that? Huge spec. Beautifully maintained car this. Very practical. Ideal for a family. Great spec vehicle. So to recap, you've got absolutely everything you want on this vehicle. Satellite navigation, parking sensors, electric tailgate, electric side loading doors, dual zone climate, paddle shift control on the steering to give you greater response through the automatic box, integrated Bluetooth with voice control, stereo controls on the steering wheel, automatic lights and panel light rheostat, electric power folding door mirrors and windows. Fabulous specification. Will come with 12 months RAC approved warranty. It will go through our workshop. It will have a 101 point used car check. Generally with that, anything under 4mm on the tyres gets replaced, anything under 4mm on the brake pads gets replaced. So you're buying a car here safe in the knowledge that it's been properly prepared. Bodywork is in outstanding condition, as is the condition of the alloy wheels. For a 60,000 mile, just a shade under 60,000 mile vehicle, this MPV's been very well looked after. If you want to find out more about this or any of our other TCC or retail cars, please go onto our website www.twhiteandsons.co.uk. Thanks.